If your people around you are not growing, how do you know they're not growing? In their speech pattern, are they talking about the past or are they talking about where they're going? Are they talking about what they accomplished or are they talking about what they're accomplishing? If their speech pattern is about what they're accomplishing, that means they're moving forward. Stay with them. Second question comes, not saying what you need to say. Which area does your intuition work? Let's take an example, food. When I put sugar or I put salt, I go by my intuition, I do not have a measurement. They can see things. If that works, probably that is your gift area. See, how does intuition work? Let me give an example. Intuition work when you invest 10,000 hours in an area. So if it is in your gift area, answer this two simple questions. So the present work of yours is in your gift area. No, the area I work is not in the area that I love the most. Yes, the area I work is the area I love the most. Let's see where we are. Only 44% people are working in an area which they love to work. So this is the reality right now. Let's come to what should you do. 55% people are not working in the passion area. Allocate 20% of your time in the area of your passion right now. Allocate 20%. You'll say, I don't have time. I don't listen it. It's a lie you're giving to yourself. Stop telling these lies to yourself.